Hello, it's Dion from the Stitcher's Muse. Today is Thursday, July 27th, 2023, and I'm recording this video in order to show you all the wonderful Christmas related goodies that we have on consignment here at the Stitcher's Muse. I have two other videos. This is number 3 of 3. And I'm going to show you today tree skirts and some smaller kits and whatnot. Please do take the time to watch the other two videos. The first one focused mostly on pictures and things that you can stitch to hang on your wall. And the second one was mostly ornaments. And today I'm kind of taking care of all the rest of it. If there's anything that you see in this video that you are interested in, please do message us, either message us on Facebook, email us, telephone us. Our email address is info, I-N-F-O, at thestitchersmuse.com. That's THESTICHERSMUSE.com. And our telephone number is 1-888-591-6873, or if you're local, it's 250-591-6873. I'm really glad that you've joined me here today. Now, if you are watching this after July the 29th, the 25% discount, everything I'm going to show you today is 25% off the marked price, unless I mention otherwise. If you're watching after July the 29th, 2023, everything reverts back to the regular prices. However, you're free to make an offer, you're free to give us a call, and just check to see whether what you're interested in is still available, because things may sell and things may not. So I'm going to start off with this one, Christmas Traditions by Designs for the Needle. It is a regular price of $20. And I think the rest is pretty much tree skirts. That's just one that happened to fall into the wrong container, and so we didn't get it last time. This is, what's the name of it? Why can't I see the name? It's a Christmas Bears tree skirt, but you can also use it as a table topper. It's a complete kit, and it is completely sealed and unopened. Then we have Christmas Ingredients t-shirt. Oh my goodness. Tree skirt. All of the tree skirts are on for $40 regular price. So this is Christmas Ingredients. And this one is Sugar Plum Lane. And this has been opened and taped back together, but it looks completely intact. If you need us to verify that, we'll be happy to do that. Unless otherwise mentioned, everything is sealed and intact in the original packaging. And this is Gingerbread Land tree skirt. And this one is definitely not in the original packaging. I believe we had to find other packaging for it because the packaging was a little worn out. But you can see that there's lots and lots of thread there. And this is the Country Holiday tree skirt. I'm not sure why we have it in that bag. I have a feeling it came on consignment in that bag. And this is Santa and Animals tree skirt. And this is also completely sealed. Now we're going to move on into Christmas stockings. See, I knew that there was something else today. I didn't think those were all tree skirts. Christmas stockings. We have this absolutely gorgeous one, Father Winter and Friends. I think it's absolutely stunning. And that is $90. And then we have Kissin' Cousins, and that is $30. $50, minus the 25% discount. And this is for $5. It's called Holiday Treasures. We have Stitch with Sudbury, design number 48, leaflet number 48. I think those are adorable. Buddy Christmas! And that has a marked price of $5. We have a Bucilla kit. It says in big letters, gold-plated needle included. This is $40, and it does not have a name that I can see. Snow domes will be close enough. Ah, look at that. It says snow domes. Sometimes it's hard to know where to look. And this is Freezin' Season. And that's $41.75. And this is a needlepoint stocking. So it's pre-printed, easy peasy, lots of fun to do. You don't need to count. It's one of those brainless ones, you know, you just do your basic tent stitch or basket weave stitch. And it's all counted out for you. And I believe it's the same with this one. And this is called Snowman and Friends. And that's also a printed needlepoint. And that is $41.25. And we have this one, a little bit of a primitive feel to this one. Welcome to Winter Snowmen. This is just the chart pack. And I don't have a price on this, so guess what? It's make me an offer. What does make me an offer means? It means basically that you tell me what you're able and willing to pay for something. And we generally speaking accept that price. No judgment. We have Polar Pals. $67.95, and this is also a needlepoint stocking. And we have Happy Snowman, also a printed needlepoint, and $50. And the last one in this particular collection is Frolicking Friends. Lots of fun things on there. Some finishing ideas as well, and we have $6.50 listed on that one. I'm just going to lift up the next container. And the next receiving container. So these are all smaller kits. There's quite a few buttons and beads. There's some lavender and lace. So these, by smaller, I don't necessarily mean a smaller picture. I mean a smaller container that they go in. They're a little bit easier to ship. So we have Tree Shopping for $17.95. We have All Is Calm for $19.95. Now these kits, they're complete and sealed. They're right now going for anywhere between $22.50 and $26.50. So $19.75 for a brand new unopened kit is a pretty good price. And we have North Pole, also for $19.95. Two of those. We have Holiday Stocking, and I don't have a price on this, so let's call it $17.95 because that's still a good price. And Skating Pond. And Home for the Holidays. And Caroling Trio, this is a much more recent one, so it's got a price of $20.75 on it. We have Joy to the World. We'll make that one $16.25 as well. And we have Ski Dog. I have a feeling that this is actually regular stock. So I believe it's $24.75. I'm not sure, but it'll be on our website, I think. Somehow that one snuck into the basket. I tried to sort through the consignment versus non-consignment, but I can see here there's a few here that are definitely our regular stock. So this is the Spirit of Christmas, $15. I will try to sort out what is not consignment, so I'm not showing you things that are not consignment. Very Lovable, just the chart, $5. M Designs Noel, a needle roll kit. It also makes a lovely little sampler. This is a complete kit as well, and we have that at $15. Then we have Yankee Doodle Dandy by Sue Hillis Designs, and we have a price of $5 on that. That's ours. This is Christmas Puppies. Sure, that's a kitten in there too. It says Christmas Puppies. I think it just means Christmas young animals, because that's definitely a cat. It's not a very good picture. The picture itself isn't very good, so that's why it's looking a little blurry on the camera. We have Christmas Alphabet for $5. We have the December, where did that come from? December Sampler Accent, and $15, and that is a complete kit as well. And we have Joy to the World for $5. We have Designs for the Needle. This is Christmas Traditions for $12.50. They have Is It Too Late to Be Good for $12. We have Merry Christmas. Now this is a coaster kit. It comes complete with an acrylic coaster. So Meowie Christmas. I said Merry Christmas. Meowie Christmas. $15. The trivet's worth more than that. Winter Cheer for $10.95. Lavender and Lace, Celtic Christmas, $17. Another Lavender and Lace. This is the Angel of Grace. This should have been in with the angels that I had under Fantasy. Oh, that was a Facebook Live sale. And we have that basically Make Me an Offer. We have Little Darlings Christmas, really cute little sampler, and $13.50 is the price on that. It comes with the threads and embellishments, but there is no fabric in there. We'll be happy to put fabric in though for whatever it costs to add the fabric. We have the Angel of Freedom, priced at $15. And we have the Angel of Christmas, priced at $18. And this is really neat because the face and probably the hands as well are actually done over one, so they're very, very finely detailed. That's how you can get that awesome detail in the face there. Can you see that? Like, that's very realistic looking. Absolutely gorgeous. Then we have Post Stitches Burr. I have a feeling this is ours. Nope, that's definitely a consignment number. There you go. And $8 for that. Then we have some Brooks Books, the Spirit Angel, and that is $7.95. And the Angel of Cross Stitch for $7.95. We have the Spirit of Christmas Carols, is also for $7.95. Now we have some Gold Collection Petites, Splendor at Night, and I have not written a price on that. I probably haven't had time to research it, so at this point it's Make Me an Offer. Apparently we have two of those. That one has a price of $25. So they should be, we should honor that price, $25. And then we have Christmas Morning Pets for $14.50. We have Toy Shop for $14.95. And last but certainly not least, we have Santa with Friends ornament for $25. And that comes complete with all the stuff that you need, the embellishments at the top and at the bottom, and enough to make the tassel. So, and the back of the ornament, as you can see, can be personalized. All right, so that concludes the third of our video series of Christmas kits and charts that are here on consignment. I'm really glad you joined me. I hope there is something in the collection today that really made you smile, or that needs to make its way to your house. We do ship all over the world. You know how to contact us: email, telephone, chat, online. We do our best to contact everybody within about 24 to 48 hours. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your summer, and if you're watching this later than summer, then a fabulous rest of your life. Bad sense of humor. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you soon. Bye-bye.